Good day guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. In my last video tutorial, I talk about Hanover, how to use Hanover using single factor method, where I able to draft out all this analysis right here. Okay, now in today's video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to activate data analysis Toolpack in Excel. Alright, in Excel, we have few inbuilt tools which are used for data analysis, but this become active only when you select any of them. Okay, to enable data analysis tools in Excel, just go to File, okay, File menu option right here. You can see. Okay, now once we get there, then you navigate to the option window, then click on the heading, then select any of the analysis pack. Let's say analysis Toolpack, okay, and click on what? Go. This will take us to the window from where we can select one or multiple data analysis Toolpack, which can be seen in the data menu tab. Okay, now if you observe on your laptop or computer, you may not see the data analysis option. Okay, by default you need to unleash it. Usually a data analysis Toolpack usually under the data tab right here. Okay, if you navigate right here, you see it here. You can see the data analysis option right here. Okay, now under the data analysis option, you can see many analysis option. Okay, now let's now delve into how to activate the data analysis Toolpack in Excel. Okay, in your Excel, it is not showing this pack following below step to unleash this option. Okay, first step is that go to File option right here. Just navigate to the File option right here. Okay, now the step 2 is that just navigate to the option menu here. Okay, click on it. Now after selecting the option, select the heading. Okay, so after doing that, once you click on heading, at the bottom you will see manage drop down option. You can see manage Excel drop down. You can see now select the Excel heading. You can see it's already selected, and click on what? Go option. Okay, once you click on go, you will see a new dialog box. You will see all the available Toolpack. I have them all selected already, and then click on what? You can click on the analysis Toolpack. If it's not selected, just make sure that this analysis Toolpack is checked. Okay, and after that, then click on what? OK button. Now once you have done that, you will see this option under the data ribbon. When you navigate to the analysis section at the right hand side. Okay, here now let's now delve into how to use the data analysis Toolpack in Excel. Okay, let's understand the working of the data analysis tool with some example. Now the first example I'm going to show you under the Excel analysis Toolpack is the t-test analysis. Okay, a t-test is returning the probability of the test. Let's look at the table here representing the output result of two department production pattern in a manufacturing setting. Okay, now the first step to do the t-test is that firstly select the data analysis option under the data tab. Just navigate right here and select the data analysis option. Now once you click on the data analysis, you will see a new dialog box. Okay, all right, scroll down and find the t-test. Okay, just scroll down and find the t-test. You can see them t-test. You will see three kind of t-tests. Select the first one. You can see that. Just select the first one which says t-test pair 2 sample for mean. Okay, just select it. Now after selecting it, the first is you listen it now option, then click on the OK button. Okay, after selecting it, you will see the purple dialog box here that pops up under the variable one range, select the departmental A. Okay, just select it from the top, then under the variable to range, okay, just select the departmental 2. Okay, good. Once you have done that, in the output option, you can see in the output option range, just select the output. In the output option, click on the output, okay, range, and select what, just change here to output, okay, range, and select the cell where you want to display the result. Okay, I'm going to choose this E1. Okay, in my own case, I'm going to choose this E1 to display my result. Now, the next step is that click on the label. You can see, just make sure that this label is checked because we have selected the ranges, including the heading. Okay, then click on what, okay, to finish the test. Okay, sorry. Okay, let's check the very well. Okay, now click on what, okay button. Okay, sorry, what is going on there? Okay, sorry. So from here to here, okay, then check here, then select from there to there, and output is click, and oh, sorry. So the output range, my output range is not picked. So now click on what, okay button. So now you can see right here the results will show the main value. Let me highlight it and expand it. Okay, let me highlight it and expand it a little bit so that you can see. Okay, now the result will show the main value of the two departments. Okay, you can see the two departments variance value. Okay, you can see the variance value, then how many observations are conducted or how many values taken into consideration, and the Pearson correlation, and so on. And if the p-t, which is what, 0.563, is higher than the standard expected, then the main data is not significant. However, we can also do the t-test by using the inbuilt function in the t-test. Please note, all right, we have many other analysis tests like regression, f-test, ANOVA, correlation. Okay, and also the descriptive techniques. We can add Excel heading as data analysis toolpack. Okay, analysis toolpack is available under VBA likewise. Okay, thank you, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel as I keep giving you more of the Excel function. Bye and stay blessed.